Hello and welcome to what I think is the world's best HTML and CSS masterclass. Now, I might be a little biased here, but hear me out. Before I talk anything about the course, I want to answer a couple of questions first. The first question is web development a good career option in this day and age? And are web developers still in demand right now? And the answer for both of these questions is a massive yes. Web developers have been in demand ever since the internet has been invented. And due to the current coronavirus pandemic, every single business, startup, company have been forced to come online. And if you look closely, all of these companies need a website and a web developer to build that website. And that is also one of the reasons why web developers are in such high demand right now. And this demand is only going up from here. So in this day and age, being a web developer is one of the best career options available right now. So let's talk a little bit about the course. So what I have for you in the course and what are we going to learn in this course? The first thing what we're going to do is we are going to learn the fundamentals of web development or the fundamentals of a website, which is HTML and CSS. Now, what is HTML? What is CSS? HTML basically means hypertext markup language and CSS basically means cascading style sheet. I know, sounds very complex, but trust me, they're not. For example, let's say I have a book here. And if we consider this book as a website, the entire text on this book can be considered as HTML. Basically, in a website, the text is HTML. And the size of the text, the color of the text, the position of the text can be considered as the CSS. So every single website is built with HTML and CSS. And once we learn HTML and CSS, we're going to start off by building this amazing project. So this is an exact replica of the world's most famous search engine, google.com. Now what you're seeing on the screen is not the actual homepage of Google, but this is something that we build inside this particular course. Then we go forward to learning something called as responsive design, Flexbox and CSS Grid. Now Flexbox and CSS Grid are some of the latest advancements in HTML and CSS. And they help us build responsive websites. Okay, let me explain you what a responsive website basically means. A responsive website basically means that a website is going to look amazing irrespective of what device I'm viewing it on. It doesn't matter if I'm viewing it on a mobile, it doesn't matter if I view it on a laptop or on a tablet, the website is going to look good. That's it. And CSS Flexbox and CSS Grid are some of the new concepts that are going to help us build these websites very, very easily. These two concepts are the must-know concepts for any web developer out there. And I'm going to teach you in this particular course. And once we learn those, we are going to go forward and build this amazing project, which is a smart speaker project. It looks super clean, super modern, futuristic, as well as very, very simple. And the best part about this project is by just changing the color, the website or the project takes up an entirely different look. How amazing is that? And then we're going to go ahead and build two very responsive websites, which one is the family project, in which we're going to build a website to showcase a family. Then we're going to go forward and build a restaurant website. Now this one is a massive project. It contains a lot of different sections. We're going to use everything that we learned from the beginning till the end, including Flexbox and including Grid, to build this very, very simple, very, very good looking, very modern, amazing website. And after this, I'm going to teach you how to do animations using CSS. And after that, we are going to be building a very simple project that is going to allow us to utilize all the animations that we learn to build this project. So this is a showcase project for a shoe. For example, if I want to sell a shoe product, this website might look amazing. And it has this amazing simple animations, yet they look very clean and really modern and futuristic. And all of these projects are designed in such a way that these are going to look amazing on your resume. Right? So whenever you submit your resume to any employer, they're going to be wowed by all of these projects. So we have a lot of cool stuff planned for you ahead. So you're going to have a lot of fun going through the entire course. I cannot wait to start this journey with you. And in the next video, we are going to start off by setting up our development environment. What is a development environment? I'm not going to talk about in this video. You'll have to watch the next video for that. I'll see you in the next one.